Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there here on the top bar you will see the torch icon. Just tap once here on the torch icon, and now as can you see, we just activated our flashlight on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. And if you want to just turn it off, by the same way you should go to the notification panel and tap again here on this torch icon. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.